good morning. How are you today? Okay, let's start again our English class. Well, today we're going to continue with our topic, future will, because we haven't finished it yet. Most of the topics, they have different kind of rules, like in this case. Remember, we were talking about will, remember? Okay. We were talking about will. Now, let's continue about will. But today, we want to work the way to make some questions. Remember, we have the questions word. The question words, we have why, where, when, who, how, what else? What, or how much, and how many. Okay, we have these question words. We talk about them when you were in the first semester. We talk about question words. Okay, now we want to use question words with will to make some questions. In the last video, you made some activities using WS question, to make questions. But today, I'm going to give you a short explanation on what is the easiest way to make questions using will and future. It's like we have why, where, when, who, how, what, how much, and how many. Remember how much and how many? I always said that these two questions, they are different. You know why? Because how much, we use how much with uncountable things. Meanwhile, how many with countable things in plural. Okay, now to make this easier, I'm going to give you a formula. I'm going to give you a tip to make questions very, very easy. It's like I'm going to set my formula is going to be this. I'm going to use WH question. You have it here. Then we're going to use will. And then we're going to use pronoun, any pronoun you need. And then we're going to use a verb plus something like a complement. So let's say it's like why. I want to make a question. Why would you study medicine if you don't like it? Why? Check this out. Why will you? Why would you study medicine? Okay, easy. Or I can say, okay, in this case, who? Who is an exception? Why? Because who, we're asking for people, we're asking for somebody. So, we don't have any pronoun. It's like, who will invite the sodas? Who will invite the sodas? Who will? We don't have any person because we're trying to find the person. Who will invite? Who will invite? Okay, we have who will invite the sodas? Or let's say when. When is Peter going to? When let's say when will Peter buy the uniform? Okay, we have when will person Peter. When will Peter buy the uniform? You see? When will Peter buy the uniform? Or we can say, where will they go tomorrow? So we have where will they go tomorrow? Okay, you see, where will they go tomorrow? Then I'm gonna give you an example using how much and how many. It's like that. How much we use it for uncountable things like money, sugar, bread, time, milk, oil. It's like that. How much water? Okay, you see, how much water will the soup need? You see, how much water will the soup need? You see, these are a little different because of the rule. The last one, let's write the last example using how many. Okay, how many exams, you see, countable in plural, how many exams will we have? Like that. How many exams will we have? So as you can see, this is my formula. Like you see, this is the formula already. So we have WH question, anyone you want, will, pronoun, verb, complement. We have some examples here. Why will you study medicine if you don't like it? Who will invite you to class? Peter. When will Peter buy the uniform? Next week. Where will they go tomorrow? To the park. How much water will the soup need? A liter of water, maybe. How many exams will we have? Two, only 2 exams. So, as I said, they're going to be your examples using question word plus will. Now, you have some examples already. Okay, please write down these notes, write the notes you need, and check my example, check this out, memorize the formula, practice the formula, practice writing some questions, and they're going to be so easy for you. So, I'm going to give you an activity using these question words. So I'm going to give you the activity in 2 minutes. So, see you in 2 minutes. Bye.